In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few seconds. If you've ever wanted to share a post with your followers without copying the link manually, this is the easiest way to do it. Reposting is perfect for sharing news, boosting useful content, or helping your audience see something you found interesting. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the X app or go to x.com in your browser and find the post you want to share. Once you've located the post, look directly underneath it. You'll see a row of icons, and the one you need is the repost icon. It looks like two arrows forming a square. This icon is what allows you to share the post with your followers. Now, click that repost icon. As soon as you do, a small menu will appear with repost options. In most cases, you'll want to choose repost to share it immediately. This will publish the post to your profile and make it visible to your followers right away. If you're on mobile, the process is just as simple. Tap the same repost icon under the post, then select repost from the menu. That's it. Your repost goes live instantly, and your followers can now see the content in their feed. This is a really useful feature if you want to amplify a post without adding your own comment. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to engage on X. If you ever want to repost with your own thoughts instead, you can usually choose the quote option, but for this tutorial, the goal is just to share it directly. So to recap, find the post, click the repost icon under it, and then select repost. In just those two steps, you've successfully reposted content on X or Twitter. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what app or feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.